Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching video lecture on urbanization. Dear students, in the last video lecture we have discussed positive and negative impact of urbanization. Now we are going to discuss today satellite cities, smart town. So what is satellite cities or satellite town? And what is smart cities? Today we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's start. I hope you are doing well at your home. So, satellite cities comes to supply resource to fulfill the needs of the main cities, replenishably priced accommodation. Dear students, definitely, in a big cities, there is a problem of congestion, traffic congestion. There is a problem of accommodation. So near of the main city, there is the infrastructure building is being processed by the government and some of the private authorities, such as buildings and hotels like that. So and road, electricity. So that the fringing area of main cities, there is the another city developed. So the development of that cities is satellite cities. Like near of Delhi, we have Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurugram. This is actually satellite cities. So the cities comes under NCR, definitely satellite cities. Okay. Now the rise in population. Why it is developed? Because rise in population due to movement of the people to large cities has led to the growth of satellite town and cities. Definitely it is major problem of the people live in uh, cities, metro cities. So when it comes to living in that town, there is it takes lots of problem, it creates lots of problem. So people wants to merge the fringe area of that metro cities or big cities. Now smart cities. Smart cities. So what is the concept of a smart cities? Although it is very modern concept of urbanization, and you know that smart cities also running this time in our Bharat, India. So these cities actually based on the modern technology, that means urban informatics and technology, to improve the efficiency of service. Service for what? Service for water supply, waste management, power supply, medical facility, educational facility, all that. It is totally the service of these cities totally depends on internet and communication technology and internet of things. So the process of internet is very conducive to make smart cities. Okay, smart cities would have direct contact with government and there would not have wait for solution of the problems. So in that smart cities, if you facing any sorts of problem, you can within a second type a message which is goes for government officials and the problem sorted within few minutes. So this concept of smart cities is very good in modern time. So definitely it is new but good. So this is the question: smart cities in India. is that running very fast? No, at all. In the year of 2015, we have 25th of June in 2015, a smart city mission launched by the Honorable Prime Minister. Okay, what is the main objective? It is mission to promote cities and that provide core infrastructure, clean and sustainable environment, and give a decent quality of life to their citizens through the applications of smart solution. As I told you, smart solution by which internet facility. So since we have a smart solution, so it is called smart cities. Okay. So smart cities definitely 25th of June 2015. It is launched by the government of India and it's very good for us. In Bihar, there is the Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, Bihar Sharif, Patna. It all comes under the smart cities. Okay. So actually, when government launched this scheme, smart cities, it figuring 100 cities. It has been selected 100 cities to develop as a smart cities. Okay, look at the objective of this. This is a smart cities. Community at core, more from less, cooperative and competitive federalism, integration, innovation, sustainability, technology as means not the goal, and convergence. These are the aims of this smart cities. It is also lighthouse cities. I hope smart cities is clear. So by this topic, chapter has been finished. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much, dear students.